So we got about a foot of snow the other night. Made myself a hummingbird feeder heater with an ice cream bucket with a 25-watt light bulb in there, and I used a heat gun to make some little notches in there for the heater to just clip in there. Now our hummingbirds food won't freeze. Works good. It's negative 12 outside right now, so that one's not occupied, but that guy's been a little feeder over there for the other birds. That thing worked out well. Looked online yesterday for a feeder heater. I went $70 Canadian. This cost me 15 with a free bucket.